Hi learners, this is Hitesh Segu, Digital Marketing Strategist from Nitiz Sharma Global Tech Pvt Ltd. In today's session, we are going to learn about SEO. Before we start about the SEO, you guys will go always to search engine called Google to find your problems. Correct, right? So let me say if you're asking a question in the search engine, leather bags, or let me say you're asking a question in search engine, digital marketing course, you will get a result in the search engine result page. Like this, like this, like this, like this. Correct, right? Now, you might be wonder, how does the search engine work and it will give me the results? Correct, right? So let's learn in today's session what is search engine, what are the different types of search engine, and how search engine will work. And these all comes under the topic called SEO. Now, SEO stands for search engine optimization. That is search engine optimization. Okay. Now, what is search engine? You might be wondering, what is search engine? Or you might be wondering, what is optimization? Correct, right? Now, search engine is nothing but asking a query and you get a solution. Correct, right? You ask any of your friends and you find a solution. Correct call? That is called search engine. And a search engine, we do have different types of search engine like Google, Yahoo, Bing, Yandex, and many more. Correct, right? Now, what is optimization? Optimization is nothing but you have a website. Correct, right? What do you have? I have a business, I have a website. Like for example, this is my business. Okay. So in business, you will be having something called home page, product page, service page, about us page, and contact us page. Correct, right? So where this is your website, and when somebody is coming and clicking on your website, okay, when somebody is coming and clicking on your website, or your website should be shown into the search engine where here. Correct, right? For that we do something called optimization. We optimize the pages. These are pages, guys. Correct, right? Home, about us, products, and services. We optimize these pages to show the result on search engine. That is called search engine optimization. Clear? We got an idea? What is search engine? It is nothing but it's a process where people come and search for a query and you get a result like this. This is called search engine result page. What do we call it as? SERP, search engine result page. Now, what are the search engines do we have? We do have something called Google, correct, right? Yahoo, Bing, and many more. Now, this is a process. To this process, we call it as SEO. Till here, are we good? Super. Now, let me understand how search engine will works. So, before we move on to understand how search engine works, let me give you a history when there was no internet, how library used to work. Correct, right? So, let me say this is a library. Okay. Before we move on to the question, how many of you know about library? You can give your answers. It is a place where we go to read the books. Correct, right? So then let me say this is the library. Okay. So here is a place, a person who is sitting and a person who comes to ask the question. So I am looking for a book called mathematics. Okay. Now, there are a lot of shelves are available here. So 1, 2, 3, okay, 4, 5, 6. So many shelves are there. Now, how does a library work? Library works on 3 different people, guys. Okay, there are 3 different people. Person 1, person 2, person 3. Let me give their names as Pujita, Devyani, and Mahesh. So these are the 3 named people, Pujita, Devi, and Mahesh. So now what is Pujita work? What is Devyani work? What is Mahesh work? So there is a cart. Okay, there is a cart which is filled of books. Okay, so this cart is available. Now what? This cart is of books. Now who is going to do this work? The person named called Mahesh. He will go to this cart, pick the books, and he will dump inside the library. Where the person will dump inside the library. Now the work of Mahesh is completed. From there we have a great person called Devyani. Okay, what she is going to do? She'll go to here. She'll pick the books which is available here. There are books. Okay, what she is going to do after picking the books, she will read it. Okay, this book belongs to what is this called maths. This book belongs to English. This belongs to science. She will understand one by one book and she will analyze. She is like a small robo like Rajnikant. Correct, right? She will analyze it and she will place it here. Correct, right? After placing this, Devyani work is done. Now the smart person who is called Pujita, what she is going to do? If person like this person comes and asks a query, Pujita will run like a cheetah and she will check what are the things available, and then she will get the books from science and she will place the things here. Correct, right? So these all the things. Now the person is satisfied, saying that hey, I got the answer, I got the science book which I was looking for, and the person is happy, and the person will go jollily like ding dong bell to home with taking the book. Clear? So this is how the library works. So we got an idea. So it's depend on the cards. So if all the three peoples, any one of the three people says okay, I am not responsible, then library cannot work. Correct, right? In the same scenario, we do have something called search engine. How the search engine work, I'll be explaining you. Quiz time. Do you know, guys, who is the founder of Google and who is the founder of Yahoo? Please share your comments. Now let's understand how search engine works. Okay, let's assume you posted a query. So this is a query. So what robots do or what webs will do? So let me assume this is as a web. Okay, a spider. Okay, so now what the spider will do? Okay, it will start crawl the pages. After it will go spider here. It will start crawl. Crawl the pages. So once a robot started crawling the pages, stage number 2, it will start analyzing the page. What is this page? Let me say this is an image. It will analyze. This is a video. Okay, it will analyze. This is a text. It will analyze. Now after analyzing it, what is the next process? Okay, it will start storing the data. Okay, so we call it as the storage centers. Okay, it's a data storage. So once the data has been stored, then what is the next process? Okay, the next process is it will start showing the results only when a user, let me say this person is a human, ting ting, and this is a person who is using a laptop or a mobile. Okay, so some query has been raised. Okay, so here the query has been raised, here the person has analyzed, here you will be showing the data on algorithms, ranking algorithms. Okay, ranking algorithms. There are certain ranking algorithms are there. Based on that, it will show the data. Correct, right? First, what robot will do? First function. Said, will it happen in a huge hours? No, it will happen in a very short hours. Okay, short seconds, milliseconds, very fast. Robot will crawl the pages first initially, analyze the pages, store the data, and rank based on the algorithm, and then it will show the results. Okay, like this. So this is how the search engine works. Okay, this is the robot. First it will do, then when somebody is asking a question, you'll be able to see the data like this. So this is how the search engine process works. Are we clear? Stay tuned for the next video and see you all in the next video. Kindly subscribe to our channel and share and like it and comment it. This is your Hitesh Segu signing off from Nitiz Sharma Global Tech Pvt Ltd.